Welcome back to the channel.
So welcome back to the channel, guys. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting us thus far. We have a lot more content coming. So as you guys saw in the previous video, we actually stripped the car. It's going in to be resprayed. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color we're doing. You'll see when it gets back. So in this new video, we're gonna be stripping the engine. Chris is gonna go into a bit more detail on what we're actually gonna do. So let's go.
Yes, so as Cole said, we will be stripping down the engine as well as trying to clean it the best we can. We already have the gearbox out, but things aren't looking so good at first impressions.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a complete tear down of the engine, and we're gonna check what parts do need to be replaced and what do. Wait, I'm gonna have to just stop it.
What did you say?
And what do.
Huh?
And what do. Okay. As a rephrase, and what parts need to be reconditioned. So we have a new guest here. It's my cousin. His name is Zayan. He can introduce himself.
I'm sure.
What to say? So yeah, we're gonna play you guys a bit of a time lapse now. As you can see, Shell setting up one of the cameras that's gonna be showing you guys a bit of the stripping process. So let's get straight into it.
Gina, she's so spicy.
Get Chris here doing nothing.
I'm admiring their good handy. Like especially this piece here, which I absolutely know nothing about. What is this seriously though?
That's like the throttle, basically. But makes the car go vroom vroom.
So this is where my expertise completely disappears.
Gina, she's so spicy.
That look good.
Chris, are you not working?
Doesn't that look good? I'm doing the hardest work here. The hardest work.
I'm expecting to see some funny stuff here because this car has been around for a while. So different people have been working on this car, and we'll just see now if this customer has been looking after his car. So as you can see, there is already this cover that's missing here. Okay, just from stripping this coolant piping, you can see that the previous customer obviously hasn't been using coolant to run his engine. He's been just using water, which has been causing a lot of rust.
So we took out the spark plugs and we did check the carburetor and it was overfeeling, so this just proves it was overfeeling.
Yeah, take it off your side.
A new handle. This is a long hyperlapse, yeah.
Okay, so the engine is completely stripped now. The guys are actually setting the parts out for, we're gonna do a bit of a picture, which you guys will see on Instagram. We're gonna be getting the car back about mid-Jan or so, and then we're gonna be doing interior next, which you guys probably won't see. We'll do a bit of pictures. We'll do a bit of pictures for you guys to see on our Instagram. But otherwise, we're done for the day. Drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.